TTS is proud to present its latest innovation in washing tools, the lightweight and handy 40 centimeter WetSystem Light Frame. The WetSystem Light Frame comes equipped with a connector with a ferrule for the insertion of handles of different diameters, an anti-rotation pin that prevents the handle from swiveling needlessly during use, a 360-degree swivel that permits the tool to be easily directed and reach even the most hard-to-reach areas beneath furniture, a round push button for silent and comfortable opening, anchor pins and wing nuts that keep the spare mop firmly hooked to the tool, a completely flat bottom for the uniform distribution of the washing force on the mop for more effective cleaning. The real WetSystem Light innovation, however, is the patented connection between the wing nut and anchor pins that permits the mop to remain firmly hooked to the tool. The WetSystem Light frame is lightweight, easy to use, and ecological, thanks to high-quality plastics. Let's take a look at how floors are washed using the WetSystem Light tool. Take a spare mop and insert it into the WetSystem Light tool. Press the tool's opening button. As we can see, the spare mop stays hooked to the tool, and we can dip it completely into the chemical washing solution for absorption. Now, we insert the spare mop into the bottomless dry roller wringer and wring the spare mop. A slight rotation of the handle gives a twist to the tool, which closes silently when it comes into contact with the floor. We'll now wash a few square meters of floor by moving the mop in an S movement. We'll open the WetSystem Light tool again by simply touching the button. The spare mop stays hooked to the frame, and we can pass it through the bottomless wringer in the rinse water to detach the dirt. Then we pull the tool up again to prepare the spare mop for wringing. Now, we can keep on washing the rest of the floor by repeating the sequence above. The WetSystem Light frame offers the following advantages over traditional washing systems: a 30% reduction in work time thanks to the larger tool spread area, uniform distribution of the washing force, perfect cleaning even in corners, excellent cleaning of stairs, vertical surfaces, and even the hardest to reach places. TTS offers various types of spare mop, with wing nuts and holes for insertion in the anchor pins, a cotton, polyester, and microfiber spare mop designed to make the ideal use of the characteristics of each fiber. A spare cotton mop is recommended for daily floor washing. A spare polyester mop is recommended for the daily washing of floors whenever the spare mop is subject to frequent washing at elevated temperatures. A microfiber cloth is suited to smooth surfaces that require routine cleaning. TTS, the evolution continues.